Hi students, good morning to all. This is our new session, VB, that is Vocabulary Bank. So every Friday, children, you will be receiving this video. So this is to improve your vocabulary skill. So as per our principal ma'am's instruction, we have started this new session today. So please make use of it. Definitely you can improve your vocabulary skill. So in this video we are going to see some rare words and sentences that we regularly use in our daily life with its Tamil meaning and with English meaning. From Tamil to English we are going to learn. So make use of this opportunity and improve your vocabulary skill. So let's move on to the session without further delay. First, let's know what is meant by vocabulary bank, children. Look at here. A vocabulary bank is a collection of new words and phrases that the learner or class builds up as they learn. Each card has a word on it with a definition or translation and an example. So this is known as vocabulary bank, children. A vocabulary bank is a collection of new words and phrases that the learner or a class builds up as they learn. And each card has a word on it with a definition or translation with an example. So this is known as vocabulary bank, children. Let's see to the words in Tamil and English one by one now. So follow me and repeat next to me and make use of these words in your regular routine, children. So please, when you make use of these words in your regular routine, while you are speaking with your parents, then only you can improve your vocabulary skill. And you can easily start to speak in English without any difficulty. So let's start and see to the words one by one now. First, let's start with the first word, that is don't forget, children. Don't forget means marakade. Don't forget. So please make use of it in your regular routine. So don't forget means marakade. Look at the next word, children. I will try means non muyarchipen. Non muyarchipen. I will try. Say along with me, children. I will try. That means non muyarchipen. Look at the next word, children. That is I hope. What is meant by I hope? Non nambugiren. That is I hope. I hope to do my work. So I hope to do my work. That is நான் நம்புகிறேன் என்னுடைய வேலையை முடிப்பேன் என்று. So this is what I hope. I hope to do my work. Look at the next word, children. Who told you? Who told you? யார் உனக்கு சொன்னது? So when you speak with your friends or with your sister, brother or your mother, if you ask யார் உனக்கு சொன்னது அப்படின்னு கேட்டால், so you have to use who told you. Who told you this matter? Who told you this story? Who told you this? So who told you means யார் உனக்கு சொன்னது. Look at the next one. Look at the next word here. Wake up. Wake up means விழி. Wake up means விழி. Get up also there. Get up means எழுந்திரு. Wake up means விழி. So make use of this word, children. Wake up from the bed. That means get up from the bed. You can use. So wake up means விழி. Let's move on to the next one. Here, look at the next one. Turn off it. அதை நிறுத்து or அதை அணை அப்படின்னு சொன்னா. So you have to use turn off it. Turn off it. Turn off it. Switch off it. Turn off it. Both are same. So turn off it means அதை நிறுத்து. So make use of this word. Say along with me children. Turn off it. Adai niruthu. Let's move on to the next word. Children, look at the next word. Don't hesitate. Tayangade. Don't hesitate. Hesitate. H-E-S-I-T-A-T-E. Hesitate. Don't hesitate. That means tayangade. So don't hesitate to say to me. Don't hesitate to answer me. Don't hesitate to write it. So to say tayangade, we need to use don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. Let's move on to the next one. Look at the next word here. What is this? Idu enna? What is this? It's a question. So you should ask like a question, children. What is this? Idu enna? So make use of it in your regular conversation and routine, children. What is this means? Idu enna. The next word is don't upset. That means varthapada vendam. Varthapada vendam. That means don't upset. Don't upset means varthapada vendam. So the next one is do you know? Unakku theriyuma. So when you ask someone, do you know anything about my book? Do you know my lost book? Do you know my father? So when you ask someone, unakku theriyuma அப்படினு கேட்டா, we have to use do you know. So ask me, do you know? You have to ask like a question, children. Do you know? Yes. So look at the next one. See you tomorrow. நாளை சந்திப்போம் or நாளை உங்களை பார்க்கிறேன். To say all these things, we need to use see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. That means நாளை சந்திப்போம். The next one is can I go? நான் போகட்டுமா? You should ask like a question, children. Can I go? Ask along with me. Say along with me, children. Can I go? நான் போகட்டுமா? Yes. So to ask someone to go, if you are asking someone's permission to go, so you can ask that can I go. Look at the next word, that is nothing to tell. சொல்வதற்கு ஒன்றும் இல்லை. So if nothing to say anything to someone, you will use this word nothing to tell. சொல்வதற்கு ஒன்றும் இல்லைனா nothing to tell. Next word, I have no idea. எனக்கு எதுவும் தெரியாதுப்பா அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம்ல. So when you use those words, you have to say I have no idea. Say along with me, children. I have no idea means எனக்கு எதுவும் தெரியாது. So make use of it, children. The next one is call you back. Call you back means திரும்பவும் உங்களை அழைக்கிறேன். So how will you say, children? திரும்பவும் உங்களை அழைக்கிறேன். Suppose someone calls you through phone. நான் திரும்பவும் கூப்பிட்றேன் அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் we have to say call you back. I'll call you back or I call you back. I'll call you back or you can say call you back. The next one is stay away. Stay away means விலகி இரு. Stay away, விலகி இரு. So stay away means stay away from home. Stay away from the fire. So you should say விலகி இரு in Tamil. இங்கிலீஷில் stay away. Stay awayன்னு சொன்னால் விலகி இரு. Make use of it, children. The next one is who knows. யாருக்கு தெரியும் அப்படின்னு கேட்போம் இல்லையா. So in that case we need to use who knows. That means யாருக்கு தெரியும். Okay. Look at the next one, children. Call him again. மீண்டும் அவனை அழைனா ஃபோனில் கூப்பிட்றது, கால் பண்ணுறது. ஸோ மீண்டும் அவனை அழை அப்படின்னா கால் him again. That means மீண்டும் அவனை அழை. கால் him again. ஒருத்தர் கூப்பிட்ருக்காங்க, திருப்பி நீங்கள் கால் பண்ணுறீங்கன்னா திருப்பி அவனுக்கு கால் பண்ணு அப்படின்னா call him again. The next one is be patient. Be patient means பொறுமையாக அமைதியாக இரு ஆர் பொறுமையாய் இரு. எஸ், ஸோ அமைதியாக இரு இல்லைன்னா பொறுமையாக இருன்னு சொல்லலாம். ஸோ வாட் இஸ் த இங்கிலீஷ் வேர்ட் ஃபார் இட்? பி பேஷண்ட். பேஷண்ட், பி பேஷண்ட். ஸோ த நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் நத்திங் ஸ்பெஷல். அதாவது ஏதாவது ஸ்பெஷலாக உங்கள் வீட்டில் அப்படின்னு கேட்கும்போது அவங்க என்ன ரிப்ளை பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா நத்திங் ஸ்பெஷல். ஸோ இன் தமிழ் ஒன்றும் சிறப்பாக இல்லை. தட் இஸ் நத்திங் ஸ்பெஷல். ஸோ மேக் யூஸ் ஆஃப் தீஸ் வேர்ட்ஸ் children. We discussed nearly 15 to 16 words. So make use of it in your regular conversation with your friends, with your brothers, siblings, with your parents. So please make use of it and improve your vocabulary skill and speaking skill. So children, please practice these words which we discussed today in our new session VB, that is vocabulary bank. So I will be asking questions in the live session regarding this vocabulary bank, and I will be asking both Tamil and English translations. Be ready to answer me in the live session. So children, practice these words and make use of it in our regular routine. Definitely it will improve your speaking as well as your vocabulary skill. I'll catch you with another vocabulary bank, that is our VB, in the next Friday's session. Thank you.